Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 9 days ago, to be precise, on April the 2nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.2 mark. And at this point my main assumption was that this asset broke the level of $6.05 as the range of resistance, and it should retest it first of all. And guys, I told you that if this level holds, we might see the price action above this yellow line, which might lead to the extension of the fifth wave. If it breaks, we might see the retest of $5.41 mark. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset tried to break this level of support. It bounced back, and it had two more retests of this level. And as long as this level holds, we still have chances to see higher price targets. And this means, guys, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what should we expect next from the price action, what news might be the catalyst for this asset for the upcoming week, and how we can benefit out of its movements. So, first of all, let me pay your attention to the general sentiment related to the stock. And right here on cnbpost.com we have several news directly related to NIO. And here, basically, let me quote you just the titles of this news. NIO's William Lee urges battery and chip standardization to curb EV supply chain waste. Next one, NIO Onvo to equip updated L90 SUV with in-house developed Shenji NX9031 chip. Next one, NIO starts ES9 pre-sales with aggressive pricing, seeking to replicate ES8 success. And guys, let me remind you that ES8 is the most successful vehicle of NIO that beat all expectations of their deliveries and sales. And if ES9 replicate this success, it will definitely be a huge breakthrough for NIO, and it will drastically improve its fundamentals. That is why, guys, in the medium-term perspective, because of this excitement, because of the most recent news and the anticipation of the sales of new ES9 model, we might see the trend continuation, but from the technical standpoint, I will show you several levels of several crucial levels. Let's put it this way. So for now, let me show you some details from the so-called smart money investors list. And let me pay your attention to the most recent filings right here. As you can see, we have several companies who opened new positions, but to be honest, these positions are not the biggest one, just several $1,000s and $68,000 at most. And at the same time, guys, we have several companies who rebalanced their portfolios, and in general, as you can see, we have a set of new investments in NIO and a set of closed positions in NIO as well. That is why for now there is some kind of distribution phase for NIO. This phase is active and ongoing. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. That is why, guys, we have to rely on the technical analysis in order to identify where we are on a slightly bigger scale. And first of all, let me delete these arrows. I don't need them anymore, and let me show you that the last wave is in the shape of expanding diagonal. As you can see, if I connect these tops and these bottoms, we have this type of expanding diagonal movement. And in general, guys, the top of the fifth wave on a slightly bigger scale might already be here, and if so, we have to see some consolidation a little bit lower. And as usual, guys, if we zoom out, let's switch to 4 hours time frame. Let me show you that as you can see, I predicted and I caught the majority of pivotal points for NIO. I caught this top, and I told back in October that this asset has to have a very substantial retracement. It happened. Then I caught this bottom as I marked with a green rectangle, and for now, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence, because this asset reached its crucial level of resistance. It is a golden pocket range. If I pull the fib retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low, as you can see, statistically, this range between 0.618 and 0.65 is the range with the highest probability of trend reversal. And if so, guys, and based on the Elliott wave theory breakdown and based on the shape of this expanding diagonal, I can assume that we might retest this level of about 6.76 one more time, and then we might have a movement to the downside that will break even $6 mark. And if it happens, guys, be cautious with your long position, because we might hover for quite a while at the levels below $6 mark, and I will definitely do another update in order to show you where we are on a slightly bigger scale and what to expect next. But for now, guys, please be cautious with your long position if you don't intend to hold this stock from 6 to 18 months, because in the medium and short-term perspective, the likelihood of its movement to the downside is higher than the next leg to the upside. And guys, let me show you this again. We have to see the retest of this level first of all, and if this level breaks, we might see much deeper retracement that will land around $5.4. And definitely I prefer to do one step at a time. That is why the chances of its movement to the upside is very slim. That is why be cautious with your long position for the next several weeks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.